All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be, and we may be cooked. Now, what I mean by we may be cooked, I'm talking about the Vengeance Stage 2 clutch. Yes, the clutch that I just got installed in the Shelby GT350 may or may not be already engaging funny / slipping at those higher RPMs. I hope this is not the case. What I have been doing is putting on some more break-in miles, and it's pretty obvious. I didn't do all the break-in miles, I'm not gonna lie. I released a video talking about how it was gonna take a while to complete the break-in miles. I was at like 300 something, and then the video after that, I'm out doing pulls, and the video after that, I'm out racing the car. So it's obvious I didn't do all the break-in miles. I did about half of them. You're supposed to do about 700. I did like 350. I was like, you know what? We're gonna full send it. Honestly, do I regret it? Not really, but at the same time, we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the break-in miles. And if the clutch is slipping, because I will be able to find out within the next couple of days. Oh my God, all this traffic. We are going to talk about the next course of action. Bro, what is with all this traffic? All right, let's go ahead and get this cold start. Man, dude, all this traffic, and then it stops after I stop talking. About to get this cold start. All right, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm like 524 miles on it right now. I put like 100, I put like 200 miles technically. They all weren't break-in miles, but I put like another 100 on the car. Just regular driving. But hey, there's more important things to handle right now. I'm gonna let her warm up, and then I gotta go to the store anyway, so we're gonna put some more break-in miles and chat.
A few moments later.
All right, on the road, headed to the E85 station. I really do hope this clutch is not slipping. Like I said, I will be able to verify in the next couple of days when I do go ahead and do some more test hits, because I need to finish up the draggy video. Right now the car is running incredibly strong 100 to 150s, but I can't get a good 60 to 130 because it's spinning, because the car is now putting all the power down because the clutch isn't slipping. Hopefully it's still putting all the power down because the clutch isn't slipping. I was able to go ahead and verify that with the draggy results, and also against the run against the MR2, because that car is not slow whatsoever. He actually went ahead and shared his draggy numbers. I'm not going to go ahead and put it in this video just because, you know, you got to respect other people's privacy and whatnot, but it is what this car should theoretically be running, 60 to 130, if I can get it to hook. Now, if this clutch is slipping, number one, this has nothing, you know, against vengeance, because I technically messed up. Not technically, I did mess up. I didn't do all the braking miles. So you can't say the clutch is not good. I was impatient, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I don't regret it, but if the clutch is slipping, I am going to put most likely a, oh my God, what's all this traffic, man? Gonna put most likely a mantic clutch in the car, something that can hold over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. And considering the fact that the transmission has to come out, I'm also going to get the transmission reinforced as well. Now, I'm not going to do a full-on rebuild with the G-force gear sets because I don't want that in my car whatsoever. Again, nothing against the G-force gear sets. I think I spoke on this previously in one of my videos, but I personally like the gearing of the stock 3160 paired with the 373s out back. I just want to reinforce second, third, and fourth gear because that's exactly what I use when I do race the car. I don't go into fifth gear because my fourth is like 150 mile an hour, and I feel like that's fast enough in all reality. So I'm just going to go ahead and reinforce those gears. And since the transmission is built, that means I can run a clutch that's a little bit stronger, pack a little bit more meat, and not necessarily have to worry about it as much. And I think that is going to be the smart decision if this Vengeance Stage 2 clutch is slipping. In all reality, this car should have received a Stage 3 clutch, but I was not dealing with a lightweight flywheel as well as a 6-putt clutch. That's just something that I'm just not going to deal with at all. Don't like it. With the mantic clutch, I'm specifically going to get a clutch that does not have a 6-putt design and as well a lightweight flywheel. I like the stock feel flywheel. I don't like the way the 6-putt feels because it's just too unforgiving just driving the car around. Like making videos like this, like driving the E85 station, driving the store, driving the cars and coffee, cruising. Yes, they still can be done with a 6-putt clutch and a lightweight flywheel, but they're going to be incredibly annoying to record because not only is the clutch going to be incredibly chatty, but the car is just going to be incredibly annoying to drive. Incredibly annoying to drive. I've already been there, done that. That's why I didn't go with the Stage 3. I was not dealing with that. This is a street car, not a race car. And I'm keeping it like that. Have been wanting me to put the 100mm pulley on the car since we have a clutch, or at least I hope we still have a clutch. And I don't think I'm gonna do that just yet. I'm gonna just chill for right now. I can't get the car to hook, so it literally, like, I don't think you guys understand, it literally will be pointless to put that 100mm pulley on the car right now. All it's gonna spin. That's all it's gonna do is just spin. This car is fully stock suspension. I don't even have a Stop the Hop kit, which I need, but this 110mm pulley, I'm happy with it. I'm real happy with it. The car is doing a lot more than I thought it should be doing with this 110mm pulley, because we're not even pulleyed down all the way. We still got the 95, we got the 100, we got the 95, we got the 90, we got the 87.5. Like, there's a lot of pulleys I could go down to. And this blower, like the G3R, yes, it is efficient, but it really starts to come alive when you put that 100mm on it. That's when, like, the G3R is really going to shine. Ironically, after going ahead and doing those hits, like, driving the car has gotten, like, a lot easier. Yeah, like, make it make sense. Like, I'm not stalling the car as much anymore. I'm not bucking it after doing some hard pulls and racing it. We'll see though, because it was weird, because whenever I would go ahead and shift past 80, or not past 83, whenever I shift past like 82, it would slip. I would get that doo-doo. At least I felt like I was like the slip, because that's really what it was doing with the stock clutch. Oh my god, they got bags over the pump that I use. Or at least one of the pumps that I use. I'm chilling on this one. Alrighty. Go ahead and get this E85. Alrighty. Go ahead and pump this corn juice. Don't mind how dirty the car is, y'all.
One eternity later.
All right, you just got E. Bear with me, y'all. My GoPro is overheating like crazy because of this heat. We got an Indian summer going on. I'm telling y'all right now, Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
Connected your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
I said I'm done stalling the car as I completely just almost stall it pulling out. I jinxed myself there for real. I'm telling y'all, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I'm getting a new camera. This GoPro Hero 10 is ran its course for real. This shit old. It should not be overheating as quickly as it is. Especially with the Enduro battery in it. No shot. I have to switch sides to the DJI. All right, made it to the store. Got my groceries. Who says you cannot go ahead and utilize a Shelby GT350? It's perfect for getting groceries, especially if you're not getting a lot. Oh man, I'm about to make it home right now. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the plan I have, if the clutch actually is in fact slipping. I hope it ain't. I really hope it ain't. Excuse me. Because if it is, well,
Sync has connected your phone and is reminding you
the break-in process again.
Is set to off.
And we have to go ahead and break in a transmission. Man, I don't even want to know how many miles it's recommended to break in a transmission. It's probably 1,000. It's probably 1,000. Fuck. Oh my goodness. about that time. Yes, sir. Just go, good sir. Not waiting on y'all to make a decision. Just go. Just go. Just go. There we go. Got a Gen 3 up there. Hopefully this traffic ain't bad. I got ice cream in the car. And that shit will melt. Some people just don't need to be on the goddamn road, I swear to God. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep you guys updated on the status of the clutch after I do some more break-in miles. As always, if you enjoyed, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there, y'all. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.